Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trade on EURJPY. This is our trend on EURJPY. We are in an uptrend move. This is our trend on EURJPY. Our trend says we are in an uptrend move. Now, if you have to go to your daily time frame, or let's say your 1 hour time frame, you will see something like this. This is our higher high. This is what? Higher low. This is higher high. This is the higher low. Right? Next movement on EURJPY is movement that will push up and give us a new higher high. Only hoping for the buy if only gets the buy setup. Right now, the buy setup is about to be formed. The buy setup has not yet formed, but probably we should be waiting for it to form. Once it forms, then we can now expect a new push up to the upside. But if market eventually drops more, which it's likely will do, there's possibility to most likely do that. If it will drop more, wait for my updates. I'll give you guys the updates of what's next market will likely do again.